So, how was hobby?
It was really fun. I liked it a lot. It was really interesting, not only learning the language, but also learning about the culture and the cultural differences between Poland and Korea. It was really interesting.
Yeah, I go the same opinion.
Yeah.
I think I will be able to start my
Diary.
diary.
Definitely.
Yeah, because I was thinking about it. I didn't have notebook for this, but I was wondering how I should go with it because I was lacking in some kind of expressions.
Yeah.
So this week helped me a lot to unlock.
Unlock our life.
For me, just because of the vacation, summer vacation, I started to forget some things.
Yeah.
And now after this course, I'm walking down the street and I'm thinking in Korean and I'm like, what the heck?
Yeah.
Why?
That was it. That was the whole point.
Yeah.
And
Everything we knew for vacations, and now I remember all those grammatic rules and words and everything. It helped me a lot with confidence while speaking. Even though I'm not fluent in Korean, I'm still a beginner at learning. It helped me with just having the confidence.
how was the Japan experience?
It was really fun.
It was really fun.
Yeah, I never thought that at age 25 I will
Play.
Role playing.
Yeah, but it's so nice because when I'm at home or something, I just talk to myself because I don't have anyone to talk to in Korean. So I have to try to talk to myself or to my phone.
Yeah.
And here I can talk to actual people. And
Yeah.
it's a different experience. It's a different story. It's better with people.
Yeah, definitely. 생일 축하합니다.
For me.
생일 축하합니다. 서영. 사랑하는 서영이 생일 축하합니다. 오늘 수고했어요. Well done. I hope this week is so memorable week of your life, and then one day come back this moment and we said this thing and then we talk about this and use all the dialogue that you learn and then enjoy Korean culture. Yes. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.